Jaden is in the second spot. Wow, look at the way these guys are flying on these doubles.
Hi guys, hey, going to MRF lam Mogrip-ah kan va SHAUN-a race SHAUN-a Ṭawiawm mizo kan va Ṭawiawm ah hey tahan tan don fail meka footage kan
क्या बात है the lead, but he's closely followed by Sean, number 92. Oh, that's Jay. As they enter the whoop-de-doo section, ladies and gentlemen, it's all going to be a test of the suspension. As now the riders, ladies and gentlemen, the fittest riders in the country, the most hard-working riders in the country are right in front of you guys. Indian riders on foreign motorcycles, SX1. This is going to be the fastest race of the day, ladies and gentlemen. We have our superheroes out here, and we quickly go through the riders list.
Acha. Anh pa kami. Oh.
Ini besak mày. Này ông chơi nè, bisa.
Sure na tan su engi an, hey vlog ay lang doon.
Kan trăng. Tan try em.
Yeah.
Balina 58 official.
50 ra saka mo.
Ano nem?
90. Ente pan nan ring ka mo. Ala sa kan ale pe dai. Sulai kan na ron su.
Ito ka engi ini lo.
Wrong way.
Halu to ka kan sorry. Sir.
So people,
Look ay lang doon hey.
ladies and gentlemen,
La de bamja.
all right partner, बोलो क्या बोलते हैं आप? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the SX1 category.
Premium class.
And we have one more local rider, Slok.
Premium class.
33 nam local urga. This race is going to be a massive race. Ellaru kai mitics tara narta irbeku. Oh, these are the #1 riders in the country, ladies and gentlemen. This is the premium category out here. As you can see, the Team TVS boys, we have in your city of Bangalore. So yes, we are all fired up out here to witness the SX1 category, the fastest category of the day. May we request Mr. Pradeep HK from Team TVS Racing, please can we have you? My, slow barbare! Oh!
Expert. Premium class ang ito.
Oh my God, look at the way these guys are flying! They have actually touched the space and come back. These guys are flying like crazy out here. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is the reason why it's called the SX1 category. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the SX1 category, the fastest category in the country. Leader, ladies and gentlemen, competition number 46. Representing TVS Racing. TVS Racing will be a very happy team right now. As you see the TVS boys in the top 3 positions. All 3 are from Team TVS Racing.
SHAUN-a. Race to cái chặt của nó ấy.
Next SHAUN-a has handled the last lap.
Baka kayo super pala.
老叔啦，next 下都係輸俾到咯，next 下都輸俾到咯。
What a day to us. Youngest kid riders in the country, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, clap for
跟
them.
話啲，點樣論你？要點？要點嚟？
This is just a sighting lap. Come on, Bangalore, show some love for these amazing kids out here. Clap for them. Come on. Lovely.
就係變定咗 motivation 啊，motivation 我嗰時看你個諗起麼？立肥曲尾。
Only at the MRF Mogrip National Supercross Championship, round number 5 in your city of Bangalore.
Name.
Madam,
From Mani.
Yeah,
Mani workshop.
Wow, Patani, number 39.
Hey, today ka peg doon.
經落嗰陣，你就埋依間廢掉翻嚟，快到
Put your hands together for Wishmay Ram entering the final lap. He has entered the last lap.
เทียมนั้นเทียมแมวปุ๊บไม่ไม่ก็ได้เลย
Youngest kid in India.
Bangalore chu kan ban in san chu flagship racing chung kan anaw ten ron ti ra he kan mal lo ta bike po an khoi ve ke man he chief mechanic kan ya san he kan naw ten
Crowd favorite out here. The crowd is listening for them.
Hi, Mani. For YouTube channel.
Hello.
Actually, like that day, he just told that he will.
this is Mani's girlfriend.
Mani, you stood third, right?
Yes.
So how is the race so far?
Factory riders, compare the factory riders.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Good luck, Mani.
boys
ขันโซ่แบบนี้
and
So 所謂嘅ขัน就
six flies, 6 youngest rider.
邊人嚟佬咯？
Wow, look at the way these kids are flying on this course. Absolute treat to watch them. Wow. This is an absolute treat to watch the way Jinendra rides out here on the Kawasaki 250cc, ladies and gentlemen. An absolute treat to watch them ride. In the first position we have Jinendra Sangave, followed by Akshat Hubale, followed by Yash Shinde, Chaitanya Joshi. And they're going out here. Here comes Ṭawiawm, who's almost touching the sky every single time he's taking his picture. That is no one. Absolutely riding great fashion out here. In the second spot we have Akshat Hubale, followed by Yash Shinde, Chaitanya Joshi.
Oh.
And over here we have Alina who had a crash. She got up and she came back on the bike.
ang ganwa di tanso tiya.
This was absolutely a treat to watch our kids ride.
คนหนวมครบไหมอันเลยที่มาครบไหมคูเวมีเหรอ
Apal mero sin valet tup maulay bank private train.
Hey Sean ทุกคนการเล่นเราโดนนะเป็นต้องทำโชว์แหละที่มาต่อตู้ที่โถย So let's start tayo na niya at kaansan doon.
Oh, the private expert group B is going to be a race of 5 laps. 5 lap race, ladies and gentlemen. The 15-second board is up. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's see who's grabbed the whole shot. Wow, Subramania D54. Woo. Who's competition number 80 is flying like Superman. Wow! This is absolutely a treat to watch.
This is a treat to watch. We have the race ladies. Number 54.
Nice, Palina. Palina ni Meka.
Followed by the race 80.
Oh, the private category is absolutely showcasing an amazing display of talent out here on this wonderful stage. We are in the round 5 of the MRF Mogrip National Supercross Championship.
We have a race reading from the number 54, followed by 80, followed by 99 in the competition between for the third.
Kaki Roli, he is absolutely challenging the expulses out here on his impulse.
Is beautifully leading the race here. Bike number 54, rider number 80, aircraft competition towards the third. 47 versus 99.
Oh, 3 laps to go, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, only 3 laps to go.
The race is still in by 54. Followed by bike number, rider number 80. Followed by 27.
Ladies and gentlemen, Subramania team is going to officially enter the last lap.
This is the last one for you guys. Konya Suttu, Konya round. Rest the start in the last one go. Bike number 54. Lead. Rest the Konya lap. Rest the Konya lap, guys.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is the private expert category, and these are the riders owning these machines, and this is the reason why it's called private expert. So no factory can enter this category. This is special category only for private riders.
Konya Suttu, Konya lap. Konya Suttu, guys. Keep on. Bike number 50 for competition between first and second, guys. Keep eye on them. Keep eye on them.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for your winner, Subramania team, followed by competition number 80, Ṭawiawm, followed by Sean. Oh, what an overtake at the last corner by number 99,
Third place.
Arshad
Private
Mohammed. Super.
Hey, Ṭawiawm.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have last 3 races to go.
Ambulance.
So, we are
Hey, tayo do sana ni. Hey, Ṭawiawm.
Dire maum phalaw tu ba ka aum phalaw zo ya aum phali
Ale bel le ni.
ba ka asu tu ba ka ni ka sha ka mer
An lo suwa. Vai pa sulet vero atia. Pathum na ni phani.
a chan pa pakhat na khan sulet ve shipro alo ta ma se sulo
Ale bel moi nai te na le bel ni polai te win.
Christian de win
Oh, hey, tahian hey. Monster an lo sema. An la dona ni. Mr. Johnny te ne. Monster an la dona ni. Thanks bro. Free monster.
We have the lead of the race, 92. Followed by 16.
Oh, may din
Followed by 95.
Factory riders, they're
What's
private.
up, competition going there? There we take the big chance. TVS and Hero guys are jumping everywhere.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, all I can say is number 92 is absolutely crazy. He is getting jumped off his TVS motorcycle.
Top competition to third place, as you can see. All these guys, 27, 95 and others, doing their best to get to the third place. We have a race leader. So you guys,
Oh my God, look at these guys are
flying over your head.
absolutely flying in the air. He almost got 1 star at his comeback.
Such a pumped up race, such a pumped
Man lang, at we share and chicks
le aflo
and FMSCI sir has told me
Voin big race kan so
please clear the track. So I am
Yeah.
requesting everybody
Ah,
to
sorry.
please clear the track.
Soi thei lo.
In lo da.
Monster Group ah, I'm from Mizoram chiat ti mana han tia.
Anh lốm lầu lúc
An lo kat de ya.
Anh lốm lầu.
Nge soi bel du dem.
Requesting everybody only
I'm from Mizoram.
I'm from Mizoram continue da kha. Abai kan check up podium la chu bike check ngai tia.
Trong ở đây.
Ngai chong ten nia.
race out here, so I'm really sorry.
Anh muốn làm bên em.
Mùa đông hấp mày.
How is the race?
Hey, vai ho bike.
Không phải trong à?
Mấy giờ là số? Tôi số số mình bé, alo, en chiang don này.
Please, if you
Nghe
want
bé
to
cả hết không?
request,
Yo, phần nhá.
requesting you guys,
Phải kịp bấm ra nhở? Hey chú.
Hand pump, kaka, glass,
Googles.
goggles, nhá.
Hey chú ở
Ở phần
bé
đi
cái
pack,
nhá.
tao mà.
Hey bố hey ở bé cái nhá.
Thấu. Motor kế
Áo
tem này
to
là.
lâu.
well, we've done 10 good. This is the SX1 category. All right, look at the way these guys are flying out here. And do not miss out on the big jump. Whoa! Look at the way these guys are flying in the SX1 category. The fastest category of the day. Wow, and look at the way they're flying out here, ladies and gentlemen.
Followed by 46, followed by 37, Cantwell. It's a tough competition going on to the first place, guys. These guys are Owen number 9. Now the race is leading by 46, followed by 9, followed by 37, guys. All are doing well, great.
Well, Ikshan Shanbag.
Second place was
Last step ni.
Cantwell.
Right, close khop.
Easy competition lead by Christmas Rider 46, followed by Cantwell with 9. Followed by 23 for the third place.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the SX1 winner from Team TVS Racing, Ikshan Shanbag, followed by Prajwal, Sarthak, and Shlok. What a race!
What a race it was for Prajwal.
Race to Zawa. Tian. When Sunday ni ah. Dar tu main kho mangai tu dar khat ni mega. An pheng a kan khom le nga do ni. Ke ni Christian cha.
Of the MRF Mogrip.
Các thành phố cả lối lấy mấy anh? Đủ lệ.
Khom a. So, vai open house sub sub do ni. Khati song ha ni hotspot.